Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create high-quality faceless short videos using completely free tools, no subscriptions or payments needed. If you've ever wanted to make money uploading short videos but tools like AutoShort, Steve.AI, or InVideo were too expensive, then this tutorial is for you. I've found a method that works 100% for free. Make sure to stick around till the end. And before we dive in, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more free content like this. First, head over to a free site called Faceless.AI. I'll pin the link in the comments section for easy access. Once the home page loads, click on the Open Dashboard button. Now scroll down and click on the Sign In tab. Here's the catch. On the free plan, you can only generate one video per account, so we won't use our personal email. Instead, we'll go to TempMail.org, a free website that generates disposable emails. Again, the link will be pinned in the comments. On TempMail, copy the temporary email you see, head back to Faceless.AI, paste it in the login box, and click on Login with Email. This sends a verification email to our TempMail inbox. Now return to TempMail.org, scroll down to the inbox section, and click on the email from Faceless.AI. Click the verification link inside, and just like that, we're in. Now click on Create Video. Let me show you two ways to create videos here. For the first method, we'll open ChatGPT and paste in the prompt I've left in the description. It will instantly generate a script for you, but you're free to come up with your own idea. Copy the script generated by ChatGPT, go back to Faceless.AI, and paste it into the text box. Click on Generate Script, and the site will automatically rewrite the text into a narration-friendly version. Now choose your preferred AI voice and background music you want. I'll leave mine at default. Click Create for 1 credit, and in a few seconds your video will be generated. When it's ready, click the 3 dots under the video and select Download. Let's now create a second video using a different method. First, log out of the current account and head back to tempmail.org. Delete the old email and refresh the page to get a new one. Repeat the sign-up steps to access the dashboard again. Now click on Create Video. Then instead of pasting a script from ChatGPT, under Select Source, choose Examples. You'll see a bunch of ready-made video categories. For this tutorial, I'll pick Random History, but feel free to explore others. Click Generate Script. Select your voice and background music, and again, click Create for 1 credit to generate the video. Now here's the important part. By default, Faceless.AI adds a watermark to your videos. To remove it cleanly, head over to Unwatermark.AI. Link is pinned in the comment. Click Try it above, and it should take you to a page like this. Now upload the video you just downloaded from Faceless.AI using the eraser tool. Highlight the watermark area, then hit Remove. Now, and in just a few seconds, your video will be watermark free. Once done, click on the 3 dots and hit Download to save your clean video to your device. And that's it. You now know how to create high-quality faceless videos with free tools and no watermark. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and more. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.